Ready? Here, Ellie, come over here. Come over here so I can get you.
Ready, set, go! Go.
Ready?
Behind you.
I'm in the wrong place.
Ready to do this?
Go over here.
Oh, nice fish face and Birdman. Okay, ready, Elle? Count him in.
1,
You could stand up and do it.
Up in the air with a junior Birdman. Up in the air, upside down. Up in the air with a junior Birdman. They all have their noses to the ground. Now is the time for the grand announcement. All of their wings are made of tin. Then you will know that the junior Birdmen have all sent their box tops in. 5 box tops, 4 bottle caps, 3 coupons, 2 wrappers, and 1 thin dime.
Yay! All right. All right. High five. High five.
I like doing this part.
That was good.
How about up in the air?
You can do that part,
I can
right?
do that part.
Me too.
Upside down.
No.
Huh? They all have their noses to the ground. Up in the air with the junior bird man,
Girl.
girl.
Oh, yeah.
Can you flap your wings, Patrick? Flap, flap, flap. That was kind of like a chicken.